Hello, welcome to my channel Mathematics by Sanka. And today I am doing the first lesson of Year 7 Edexcel PSN Max book. So the first lesson is median, mode and mean, and to understand this concept in a very simple manner. So kids, let's take a look at what is mod. The mod is the most popular number in any number set. The most popular number means the mostly appeared number in a number set. Let's take a look at the indicated example in the slide. In the example, the number set is given as 3, 5, 7, 5, 2, 5. So when we carefully looking at the number set, the number 3 appears once, number 2 appears only once, number 7 appears once, but number 5 appears 3 times. It means number 5 is the most appeared number of this number set. Therefore, number 5 is the mod. And also, I would like to give you a quick tip. And the tip is if no number repeats in a number set, then no mod. But if any two numbers repeats and the most appearance in the number set, then there can be two mods. So coming into the example given in the slide, you can see that number 3 and the number 5 appears twice. Therefore, the mod are number 3 and number 5. So the next one we going to look at is the median, or what we call the middle kid. Is a middle number of a number set. But to find the middle number, the number set has to be written in order. The first thing that you have to do is to arrange the numbers in an order from smallest to largest. Then find the middle number. Looking at the given example in this particular slide, I mean the given number set of 8, 3, 5, 9, 2. The first thing you have to do is to rearrange the numbers from smallest to the largest. Once you arrange the numbers, the set becomes 2, 3, 5, 8, and 9. Once you separate the higher half and the lower half, then the middle number is the mean of the number set. So looking at this given example, in this case, the number 5 is the mean number. But if the number set consists with even numbers of numbers, the median has to be calculated by dividing the two center numbers and taking the average of those two numbers. In the given example, there are two middle numbers. So the median is the average of those two numbers is that 5. So kids, let's jump into the mean. The mean means fair share. We usually call mean as average. The average can be calculated by adding all numbers and dividing the sum of the numbers by the number of numbers. So the equation can be written as mean equals to sum of all numbers divided by how many numbers. Let's take a look at the given example. The number set is 4, 6, 8, and sum of the number set is 18. Since there are three numbers, the average of the number set becomes 6. Basically, the mean is 6 of this number set. So kids, don't forget to keep in mind that mod is considered as the most frequent number, median is considered as the middle number when the number set in order, and mean is considered as sum of the number set divided by how many numbers of the given number set. So, since we have come to the understanding of all these three concepts, now we will look at a few problems given in the first lesson to see how we can find the solutions. So, the first question I selected is in the page 2 of the lesson 1. The question number 6 says to find the median for each set of marks. Since we have to find the median, the first thing we have to do is to rearrange the number sets in order. Is that from smallest to the largest. So once you rearrange, the answer can be derived easily. The median of the first number set is 4. As you know, the set consists with even numbers. The mean has to be calculated by dividing the two numbers in the middle. Similarly, you can find the answer for the B, and the answer is 9.5. Apart from that, the question is says that in the discussion it is need to find the fraction of the values less than the median. Looking at the problem denotes in serial number A, the mean is 4 and the values less than mean is 2 and 3. But 2 is repeating in the number set. Therefore, three numbers are less than the mean value. So the fraction is 3 divided by 6 because the number set consists with 6 numbers. Since the total number of the number set is 6 and 3 numbers are less than the mean, the answer is 3 divided by 6. So the same way, the answer for the serial number B is 4 divided by 8 because 6, 7, 8 and 9 are less than the mean value and the total number of digits are 8. Let's take a look at the exercise 1.1, the question 1. So looking at these numbers, you need to identify what is the middle number, the largest number, the smallest number, the sixth number in the list. And first of all, the serial number A says that to write these set of number in the ascending order. So first of all, then we will write the numbers from the smallest to largest. So once you write the set of number from ascending order, then the number set will become 101, comma 101, comma 102, comma 105, comma 107, comma 118, comma 119. So coming into the serial number B, the answer for the first question, you need to find the middle number. Since this set of number is in odd numbers, the number of numbers in the odd value, therefore you will be able to separate the lower half and the upper half. Then you will have only one number as the middle number. The middle number is 105. The second question says to find the largest number. The largest number of this number set is 119. So accordingly, you will be able to find the smallest number. The smallest number of this particular number set is 101, and the sixth number is 118. The coming into the second question, the second question says that write down the mod for each of these set of data. The serial number say set of data is the set of words, the very familiar word for all of you guys, like TV, phone, computer, tablet, etc. So, looking at these sets of words, you will be able to identify which word has been repeated mostly. By looking at this particular set of words, the phone is the mod of this particular set of words. So, coming into the serial number B, the set of the numbers has been given. So in that, number 4 is the most repeated number. So the number 4 will become the mod of the set of numbers. And in the serial number C, all the digits are in the decimal form. So looking at this set of decimal form digits, the most repeated number is point 0.3. So kids, let's take a look at the question number 11 of the book. First, we need to find the mean rainfall in England. So, adding the value given in the column of the England, we can find the mean rainfall. The answer is 0.34 centimeters. Similarly, we can find the mean rainfall of St. Lucia. As I told, it is in the slide. The answer is 0.77 centimeters. But the question says Sabina does not like the rain. Even the mean value of rain in St. Lucia is higher than the England. Looking at the data given, the rain comes only Saturday to St. Lucia. Therefore, Sabina should go to St. Lucia instead of to England. Now let's take a look at the question number 12. It's a quite tricky question, but I will let you know how to solve it very easily. Since the problem says the mean of 3, comma 4, comma 11 and unknown number which is n is 6, find the value of the unknown number n. Then the first thing we have to do is that you have to rewrite the mean equation as 3 plus 4 plus 11 plus unknown number n divided by 4 equals to 6. The reason why we write like this is the mean value of this particular equation is given as 6. So let's taking the sum of the non values, the equation can be written as 18 plus unknown number n divided by 4 is equals to 6. So what next we have to do is both sides of the equation has to be multiplied by 4. Then the equation can be written as n is equal to 24 minus 18. So by solving this particular equation, we can find n as 6. Coming into question number 13, question number 13 has four different parts. Serial number A of the question number 13 says to find the sets of three numbers when the range is 0 and mean is 3. To find the range, you need to know the maximum value and the minimum value. Since the range is 0, the maximum and the minimum value should be 3. Since the mean is 3, the sets of numbers should be 3, comma 3, comma 3. Then we'll come to the serial number B of the question number 13. Find the three number sets if the median is 3 and mean is 5. We know to find the median, we need to sort the number set from smallest to the largest. So, since we know only the median, the number set can be written as a comma 3 comma b. So, the a should be less than 3 and b should be greater than 3. As we learnt earlier, we know the mean has to be calculated by adding all the numbers and dividing the sum by number of digits. So the equation can be written as a plus 3 plus b divided by 3 equals to 5. Then multiplying both side by 3, the equation becomes a plus 3 plus b equals to 15. By isolating a plus b in the left side of the equation, then the equation becomes a plus b equals to 12. We know that the number set to be written in order and a is less than 3 and b is greater than 3. Therefore, the answer for a and b is 2 and 10. So the number set is 2, comma 3, comma 10. Question number 13, serial number C says that to find the three number sets if the mod is 7 and median is 7. When the median is 7, the numbers are sorted in order. The number set should be x comma 7 comma y by taking x and y as unknown numbers. At the same time, problem says mod is 7. Therefore, the number 7 should be repeated. So either x or y should 7 or both should be 7. Or else x should be 6 and y should be 7. So the number set could be 6 comma 7 comma 7 or 7 comma 7 comma 7. Coming into the last part of the question number 13, it means the serial number D. It says to find the set of three numbers if the median is 5 and the mod is 4. Since the mean is 5, it means that we can write the equation as a plus b plus c divided by 3 equals to 5, keeping all three numbers as unknown. Since we know that a plus b plus c is equals to 15 because mean is 5, problem also says 4 is the mod. So 4 is the mod means the number 4 should appear at least twice in this number set. So the possible set of numbers should be 4 comma 4 comma y, keeping one number is unknown. Since the mean is 5, the sum of these set of numbers should be 15. Therefore, the equation should be 4 plus y equal to 15. So now it's quite easy for us to solve in this equation. By solving this equation, we would be able to identify the answer for y as 7. So accordingly, we can write the set of numbers as 4 comma 4 comma 7. So with that, children, I am coming to the end of this particular session, and I hope you kids are able to understand what mean, median, and mode, how to find mean, median, and mode. And we also did few problems given in the textbook for better understanding. So please go through this lesson and let me know if you have any question or doubts to clear. And I'll be giving my number in the chat, and also you can forward any questions to the chat. So I will definitely answer your questions. We will meet with another session shortly. Till then, goodbye and keep solving problems.